Replace a tire pressure monitor system sensor. A tire pressure monitor system sensor, TPMS, is a sensor inside each of the tires to monitor the tire's pressure. It tells the driver if one of the tires needs to be pumped air because there is low pressure in it. Low pressure in tires causes low performance of the entire vehicle, so it is very important to have a TPMS in your vehicle. Most new models are equipped with this sensor. But if your car is of the late model, you can also have one installed. Just make sure that what you will get is compatible with your vehicle. A TPMS should be replaced once it has been in use for a long time or if you or a technician accidentally damage it. If the sensor is still in good working condition, you can still reinstall it. When you will replace one or more tires, you should also replace or reinstall the TPMS of each. This article will teach you how to replace your vehicle's TPMS. Prep the tools. You will need a valve core tool to remove the valve core, a ratchet, and socket set, the size of which should fit the grommet of the TPMS, a tire machine. This is a big machine, and unless you really are a car enthusiast, you may have one in your garage. If not, you can find one in a machine shop, and the replacement TPMS sensor. If you do not have access to a tire machine, you can also use a pry bar to remove the tire from its rim. Deflate the tires. To be able to do this, you have to use a valve core remover to remove the valve core. This protects the tire from being deflated. It covers the hole where air is being pumped into the tire. Remove the tire from its rim. If you are using a tire machine, this should be easy. If not, using a pry bar will also do the job. Place the tire on the floor and stick the pry bar onto the rim and try to press it down with one foot to remove the rim. Do this on all sides until the rim has been completely removed. Remove the TPMS sensor. Use a ratchet and socket set to remove the sensor's grommet. The size of both should be compatible with each other. Replace the TPMS sensor. Follow the instructions on the TPMS manual on how to attach the sensor on the tire. Make sure that the TPMS sensor is secured and would not fall off. Replace the rim. Put the rim back on the tire after you have replaced the TPMS sensor. Inflate the tire. Once the TPMS sensor has been replaced or reinstalled, you can now inflate the tire according to the required pounds per square inch, SI. Reprogram the TPMS. Consult the TPMS manual of your vehicle and reprogram or reset it according to the instructions. Be careful in doing this job so as not to do more damage than what you already have. If you find it hard to follow these steps in replacing your car's TPMS, you can take it to a machine shop and have a technician do the job for you. Yes, you will be paying a fee for the job, but it is better than when you damage your TPMS because you do not know how to replace it.